Hi, boys and girls. We're ready for another OG lesson. First of all, I'm going to say some sounds and you shout the word out at home that I'm saying. The sounds are shake. What is it? Shake. The next one, week. What is the word? Week. The next one, read. What is it? Read. The last one, yard. The word is yard. This time, you're going to tap out the sounds with me. How many sounds are in this word? If the word is quit, here we go. It. 3 sounds. What about the word sit? It. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. What about the word seat? Eat. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. One more. The word is ripe. I. 3 sounds. Let's review some words we've been working on. Our first word here. Let's blend it together. Rich. Rich. Chip. Pen. Cut. Gash. Cash. Bad. Let's go back and blend them a little bit quicker. Here we go. Rich, chip, pen, cut, them, gash, cash, bad. Let's read these real loud at home if you're excited to be at home learning today. Here we go. Rich, chip, pen, cut, them, gash, cash, bad. I think I see something I need to do. I think my H needs to be a little bit taller. Let's read these one more time if you're going to do some playing outside today. I hope you do. Here we go. Let me hear you. Rich, chip, pen, cut, them, gash, cash, bad. Now I'm going to give you a clue and you shout the word out. I'm thinking of a word. Well, before we play our little game of where I give the clues, I want to add another letter. If we have this word chip, and you don't just eat one chip, we make it plural. It's now chips. And here's our word cut. It's an action word. Sometimes if someone else is doing that action, we have to add the S and it becomes cuts. There we go. We better read these one more time now. Here we go. Rich, chips, pen, cuts, them, gash, cash, bad. I'm thinking of a word, and it's something you write with, and it's not a pencil. It would be a pen. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a deep cut. A really bad cut is called a gash. I'm thinking of a word, and it's another word for money, the paper money, cash. I'm thinking of a word, and it would be the opposite. The antonym of good is bad. I'm thinking of a word, and it's when you have lots of money. I think of Lucille and Ginny B. Jones, rich. This time, play my game. See if you can beat my pen at home. Here we go. Be loud. Cuts. Bad, rich, cash, pen, them, chips, gash. Now let's take a look. We have some compound words here. Remember, a compound word is 2 words put together. So let's look at our first word right here, sun. Our second word, set. Sunset. We write it together with no space. It's 2 syllables. Remember, a syllable is a word or part of a word with 1 vowel sound. Here's a vowel sound. Here's a vowel sound. 2 syllables. Our first syllable in our next one, sun. Next one, tan, suntan. 2 vowels, 2 syllables, compound word. Our next part, the first syllable, with. Second one, in. There's a vowel sound. Here's a vowel sound. 2 syllables. Our compound word is within. Our next one, our first syllable, our first word, can, not, cannot. Our last one, our first word, first syllable, dish. Second one, rag, dish rag. Let's read these as a complete word now, a compound word all together. Sunset, suntan, within, cannot, dish rag. Dish rag, something you wash with. All right, I'm going to clear my board. And we've got something new to go over we've been working on. We have this new sound. A-L-L works together to say a whole new sound. All, as in ball. Let's take our 2 fingers and skywrite. You do it with me. A-L-L says all. A-L-L says all. A-L-L says all. So let's practice some words. You say it with me. Get your mouth ready. If we have all, call. B, all, ball. All, fall. W, all, wall. All, haul. T, all, tall. Our next one. All, mall. Here's a little harder one. Small, small. So when we would tap this out, all is one sound. If we would tap out the word mall, all. It's 2 sounds. Let's practice these all together now. Call, ball, fall, wall, haul, tall, mall, small. Can you read these with me again? If you might be getting your Halloween and fall decorations ready, thinking about Halloween. Oh, I hear that sound all in the word Halloween. Yes, let's read these together. Call, ball, fall, wall, haul, tall, mall, small. All right, I'm going to give some clues. You shout the word. I'm thinking of a word, and it's the opposite of little. Short. It would be tall. I'm thinking of a word, and it's what houses have to hold them up. A wall. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a toy that you play with. You can throw it. Ball. I'm thinking of a word, and it's the opposite of big. The antonym, the opposite, would be small. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a place you can go shop, and it's one big building that has lots of little stores in it called a mall, right? This time, let's see if you can beat my marker. Here we go. Hall, wall, ball, small, call, tall, mall, fall. Good. Now, at home, I want you to get out your paper, your OG paper. If you don't have an OG paper, you can get any paper to write with us. So, get ready. It's just like at school. Here we go. Our first sound letter to write. Write me the lowercase letter that says the sound of as in edge. That would be our E. Write me the lowercase letter that says as in itch. I. Write me the lowercase letter that says as in whistle. It's our WH. Our H brother, write me the lowercase letter that says qu, as in queen. Oh, it's a Q and a U. Q is always followed by a U. All right, line 2, write me the lowercase letter that says S, as in snake. It's an S. Write me the lowercase letter that says V, as in van. It's a V. Write me the lowercase letter that says Th, as in thumb. Make sure you're writing your neatest, tall H. Write me the lowercase letter that says T. It's a T. Line 3. Write me the lowercase letter that says A. Yes, it's an A. No lazy A's. Make that stick. Write me the lowercase letter that says K, as in cat. It's a C. Write me the lowercase letter that says B. It's that B. Use that B checker if you need to. Right there. Write me the lowercase letter that says aw, as in ox. Yes, it's an O. All right, let's get our tapping hand out, ready to tap and help us spell. Our first word is when. W-N. When is it lunch? W, as in whistle. It's a W-H-E-N. Our next word to tap out, that, as it starts like thumb, that. At. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. T-H-A-T. Our next word is chin. Ch-in. C-H-I-N. Our last word to tap out is the word rush. Rush. 3 sounds, 4 letters. R-U-S-H. That stick on that R. Let's go back and read these together. Here we go. When, that, chin, rush. Now on our diamond, we have that new sound of all. Remember, the A-L-L says all. Can you skywrite with me? Here we go. A-L-L says all. A-L-L says all. A-L-L says all. Let's write it. It's one sound. A-L-L says all. One sound that has 3 letters. A-L-L says all. A-L-L says all, as in ball. Let's flip our paper over. And let's practice some all words on the back. Here we go. Our first word, tap out, is call. Here we go. K-all. Oh, it's 2 sounds, but 4 letters. Now, since it has the A-L-L, remember, roundy vowel A goes with our C for our C and K rule. C-A-L-L, roundy vowel A goes with the roundy C. Call. Our next word to tap out is ball. B-all. Did you hear that first sound? Let's do it again. B-all. 2 sounds. Check that B. Use your B checker if you need to. A-L-L says ball. Our next word to tap out, fall. F-all. 2 sounds, but 4 letters. F-A-L-L. Our last word to tap out is tall. T-all. 2 sounds. T-A-L-L. Let's go back and read these words again. Call, ball, fall, tall. All right, let's get ready for our memory word. Our first memory word, U-S-E. says use. Oh, our S is sounding like a Z because of that E. That E is like a magic E that hops over one consonant and makes our U say its name of you. Let's get ready to skywrite. Here we go. Do it with me. U-S-E says use. U-S-E says use. U-S-E says use. I will use my pen to write with. All right, let's write it together. U-S-E says use. U-S-E says use. U-S-E says use. U-S-E says use. Let's look at it one more time to skywrite. Do it with me. Get your 2 fingers out, straight arm. Here we go. U-S-E says use. Can we do it without looking? Try it. Try it at home. You can check it with me. Here it is. U-S-E says use. Let's go back to an old word. Has the word you in it? Your. Y-O-U-R. As in, that is your ball. Y-O-U-R. Your. Here's another old one. It's a little hard one. There. Ooh, and you know what I need to do? Put a heart right there. This is a heart word. Kind of sounds like there should be an A in there, but there's not. T-H-E-R-E. Let's go over there. Or there is my backpack. T-H-E-R-E. Says there. All right, let's get ready for our sentence with cops. I'll say the sentence first. Here we go. When did he fall? Oh, boys and girls, we're using that question word when. When did he fall? Let's count our words. When did he fall? 4 words. Okay, now remember on cops, capital, we start with our capital W, as in whistle. When, that question word when. Did, if you need to tap out, go ahead and tap out. Did. When did, make sure you're making a D. You need that B checker. When did he, leave a good finger space. When did he fall? All. A-L-L says all. Now listen to my sentence again. When did he fall? Your voice goes up a little bit. You're asking a question, so it's a curvy question mark. Let's go back and check. Circle that capital, order, number your words. When did he fall? Circle your punctuation, make sure it's there. Check your D's for spelling. When did he fall? Good job, boys and girls. You're all done with your OG lesson for today.